Welcome to the Alpha Omega Wine Club November 2024 wine tasting experience. It's a guided tasting of your 2 November Wine Club selections, along with a recipe that pairs with both wines. We invite you to watch this short video and taste along with us as we describe the key characteristics of each wine and share some interesting information about how each wine was made and where they are from. So grab a wine opener, open your wines, and let's taste together. November brings lovely fall colors to the Napa Valley. The 2024 harvest is now complete, and our winemaking team is busy managing fermentations in our French oak barrels and stainless steel tanks. Early indications are very exciting regarding the high quality of the 2024 vintage. Your November 2024 Wine Club selections are Cabernet Sauvignon Atlas Peak 2022 and Cabernet Sauvignon Rutherford 2022. We're going to taste the Atlas Peak Cabernet Sauvignon first. If you're tasting along with us, pour about 3 ounces of this wine into a Bordeaux-style wine glass. To appreciate the aromas of this wine, give the wine several good swirls in your glass and then take a strong smell of the wine. This wine has captivating aromas of ripe, dark plum, blueberry, dark cherry, vanilla pod, dried rocks, and cedar. Now, swirl the glass again, smell the wine, and take a hearty sip. This is a medium, full-bodied wine with mouth-coating flavors of ripe blueberry, raspberry liqueur, red currant, cinnamon, and cocoa. Alpha Omega Cabernet Sauvignon Atlas Peak 2022 is comprised of 94% Cabernet Sauvignon blended with 6% Malbec. The wine is fermented in 50% French oak barriques and 50% in stainless steel tanks, and then aged for 18 months in 30% new French oak. Historically known for the stagecoach trail that traveled eastward to the towns of Monticello and Sacramento, Atlas Peak is a huge, open, rocky amphitheater in the heart of the Vaca Mountains, situated in the southeast corner of the Napa Valley. The vineyards here are located at 750 to over 2,500 feet, planted in rocky, volcanic soils. The higher altitudes and nearby San Pablo Bay provide cooler nighttime temperatures that offset the warm, sunny days here. Next, let's taste the Cabernet Sauvignon Rutherford 2022. If you're tasting along with us, pour about 3 ounces of the wine into a Bordeaux-style wine glass. To appreciate the aromas of this wine, give the wine several good swirls in your glass and then take a strong smell of the wine. This wine has aromas of black cherry, cassis, violets, bittersweet chocolate, anise, and dusty earth. Now, swirl the glass again, smell the wine, and take a hearty sip. This is also a medium, full-bodied wine with vibrant flavors of plum, cherry, leather, herbs de Provence, sweet tobacco, and cardamom. Alpha Omega Cabernet Sauvignon Rutherford 2022 is a blend of 93% Cabernet Sauvignon, 5% Malbec, and 2% Cabernet Franc. The wine was fermented in 45% French oak and 55% in stainless steel tanks, and then aged for 18 months in 30% new French oak. Home to Alpha Omega Winery, Rutherford is the historical centerpiece of fine wine in the Napa Valley. Some of the Napa Valley's most famous wines have been produced here, crafted by celebrated winemakers like Andrei Chelichev and John Daniel. Just 6 square miles, Rutherford is famous for its ideal terroir of complex soils, warm, sunny days, breezy afternoons, and cool evenings. Both of these young wines are from the 2022 vintage, a vintage with excellent aging potential. Pour these wines into a decanter about an hour before serving, which will help them to fully display their aromas and flavors when they are served with your meal. Chef Daniel Cadan has created a delicious food pairing that pairs perfectly with both wines: cocoa and porcini-crusted duck breast. The rich, earthy flavors of this dish complement the full-bodied, earthy flavors of these wines. Dan has also shared a great recipe for holiday family and friends get-togethers: roasted tomahawk ribeye with fingerling potatoes, king trumpet mushrooms, balsamic roasted spring onions, and fall chimichurri. Now that's celebrating. Inside your club shipment, you'll find an insert with our 2024 winery event schedule and a QR code that will take you to a landing page with additional information about these wines, along with Chef Daniel's recipes. From all of us at Alpha Omega, happy holidays, and thank you for being a part of our wine club family. We look forward to seeing you soon in one of our many events at the winery.